Hi, in our previous video on the fox pincushion, this is part 2. This was no sew and we didn't use an ounce of sewing and or thread. So I'm also going to show you how to do one using a basting stitch and not losing your safety pins inside your fox, which, you know, depends on how attached you are to your safety pins. So you're going to cut out your circle. Doesn't have to be exact because all of this will be tucked inside the fox brain. There's all sorts of great little pots out there. You could make a whole series of these pincushions. All right, so then I just have my normal needle and thread, and a basting stitch, if you haven't done a basting stitch, is going to be stitches that are pretty far apart so that when you get your two ends together, you can pull them and it'll all gather up and then all your stuffing will be inside. So, doesn't really matter where you start or what side you're on, but you are gonna wanna come in at least a ½ inch, okay? And then I'm just gonna do these first big stitches and I'm gonna leave myself a tail so that I can use that to drawstring this up.
You're not tying it.
There is no knot at the end of this. Hopefully I made my thread long enough. We'll find out as I get around here. And again, this doesn't have to be exact as far as marking it a ½ inch down. You just want to make sure you're not too close to the edge, that when you pull your threads, because you're going to have to pull it pretty tight, your threads aren't going to split here on the edge and you lose your basting stitch. All right, so we made our way all the way back to my original thread, and I'm going to take some stuffing and make a nice tight ball in my hand. I'm gonna start gathering. See how easy that is? You just gather that baby up. Stuff that in. Keep pulling until it all disappears in there. Then I'm going to take and tie our thread. So make sure your thread is thick enough that you can then tie it without breaking it. Nice and tight. If you have a friend that can put their finger, that's always great. Or just help me pull this thread. Here, just pull that thread for me. Perfect. I'm also going to take and wrap it around this and tie it one more time. So it's all nice little squishy guy, right? Right there on the top. We have our hot glue gun going. Going to take and carefully pull and push that inside, put some glue on the inside rim. Oh, there it goes. I'm gonna go to the front and do the same thing. Oh, I almost lost it in there. There it goes. Oh, he still popped down a little. All right, last side, and then we have another pincushion. There we go. Once the glue dries, if you get a little bit on the edge, you can just peel it right off. There we go. Another pincushion. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.